Welcome back. Let's go. Let's just get moving. In and out. We can do it from the chair if you like. By all means, wherever you're at, let's just get warmed up. Yesterday was all about willpower. Today, finish what you start. Do it a little bit better, a little longer than you think you can. Continue to build that willpower. We're going to focus on our mental health today. The power of movement. I've been hearing from some people who are feeling a little bit of dark. This time of year can do that to us. You can add your feet here if you like. The winter can definitely make us feel down and gloomy sometimes. I know nothing better than natural movement to release the endorphins, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin. We get all those natural feel-good chemicals flowing through our body. And all of a sudden, it's not so dark in here. Remember, you go at your pace. This can look like this. Lots of different variations. You just do what's best for you. Shake that out. Let's twist. Oh, we get stressed, we get anxious. It happens to everyone. Think of movement as medicine. I don't know if there's anything in a pill, bottle, potion that can do for us what natural movement can. Get outside, go for a walk. That's the add-on. 10-minute evening walk. Can you add that to this already brilliant routine? And there's another way to build the willpower. Oh, I'm gonna go for a 10-minute walk. I start, I come back, it's been 10 minutes. I started, I finished. Even a 10-minute walk, when you focus on finishing what you start, builds the willpower. And that willpower, when you have strong willpower, so we can't build a little bit of mobility and flexibility with this, our twist. You just get a little deeper. Again, if you're seated, you can be doing this, no problem. When you start to build the willpower and have that locked in, oh man, does that eliminate a lot of mental noise. And there is so much power for our mental health. Stop the overthinking, the self-deprecating thoughts. No, I take care of my business. I can do difficult things. Spread your legs out a little bit. Just get a little lower if you can. We're building mobility, flexibility, strength, consistency, discipline, and willpower by finishing what we start. It's all here today. On top of that, we're going to strengthen our mind. Yeah, just feel it. Go with the rhythm. Just feel the flow here. This is lovely. We know that our physical health, we need to work at it. We need to do things. We need to take action. It's no different with our mental health. We're never going to think our way out of problems. The mind is so overactive. We're often not using our mind. We're letting it use us, as opposed to physically moving, tiring ourselves out. So quiet the monkey mind, and then with a focused mind, I can start to see more clearly. I can direct my attention where it needs to be. Oh, that was a good crack. Yes. Let's just go for a little walk. Just move. A 5-minute walk outside can change everything too. It's the smallest things. We don't need huge workouts, exercise programs to affect our mental health. The smallest things can go a long way. Just move. So I can twist. Just walk and maybe get a nice back bend. I've seen the darkness. I understand it. We got to take action, physical action. I know the more I seek discomfort physically, the more comfort I create mentally. We got to do difficult things. We got to find things that push us, get us out of our comfort zone. We build the resilience. Oh, I can do hard things. I can handle hard stuff. And then when that mind gets a little nuts sometimes, it's like, I can handle this also. Just keep moving. Oh, can you get a little bit? And if you're in your chair and you're just like this now, brilliant. Be so focused, so in this moment. We're training our mind to be here now, present. Oh, movement is better. Movement is medicine. How about that? Yes. Little shuffle. Can we just get down a bit? If you're in your chair, just a side bend in your chair. If you can get up and do a few of these, then you got a seat to sit again. Lovely. A lot of our stress, anxiety, challenges in the mind come from lack of sleep. We're staying up too late, not getting the quality sleep we need. And when we move our bodies, we actually tire it out so that we just sleep naturally because we're physically tired. When we get the quality sleep, our mental health improves. It's pretty amazing. It's really back to the basics. It's just Mother Nature. It's simplicity. We used to always be active doing things. 200 years ago, do you think anybody was taking sleeping pills? They're so physically active. Everything they had to do required physicality. They're just exhausted at the end of the day and slept beautifully. For the most part, I'm sure. They had some of their own struggles, no doubt. Just shake it out. Let's keep walking. Can you? Again, this can just be in the chair. Just a little bit more movement when we walk. If you don't have any space, you're just brilliant. Just stay there. Just trying to add an extra dynamic component to what we're doing. Sometimes we can embrace the darkness too. I think maybe one of the greatest lines in any song ever. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Rather than, oh, why am I feeling like this? Be curious about it. Oh, okay. I got some dark thoughts, some depressing thoughts, sad thoughts, whatever they are. Oh, hello. Welcome back again. That's not me. What are you here to teach me? Maybe I need to get outside, go for a walk. Maybe I need to do a little workout. Thank you for the push in the right direction. Be grateful for that darkness sometimes. Let's move. Just a little hip mobility in your chair. Just movement is amazing for so many things, but all I know for sure, every time I move, my mood is boosted. So is my energy. That's all it does. Happy days. You can slow, just be standing. choose your own adventure. Just do what's best for you. We went a little harder yesterday, so just slow it down. Okay. Use your chair if you like. Just gonna stretch you out a bit. I'm gonna come to the floor and do a down dog. So if you like, just use the chair. Or if you can come to the ground, terrific. Bend your knees if you like. Just hold this for a moment. Just feel, absorb everything that's happening. Stretching your arm, your legs, and your back. Such a brilliant stretch. Getting inverted is always good too, letting the blood flow in the opposite direction from time to time. It's very rejuvenating. More blood to the brain. Hello. Yes, I'm feeling good. I am strong. I'm not my body, I'm not my mind. I can just be here, notice. Hold yourself on your chair if that's where you are. Come here, just into a plank. Just hold it for a moment. Engage your core. Building core stability. Strengthen our arms and our back. Resilience. I can do hard things. I can handle the storms when they are brewing inside my mind and my body. You're more than welcome to throw a few push-ups in there, whatever, even if it's just like this. It's all beneficial. Back into our down dog, stretching on the chair. Come up. How does that feel? Oh, let's just bounce to finish off here. You can throw a few punches if you like. Just get loose. About to go through your day. Productivity, positivity, and joy. Celebrate the win. Don't forget to comment. Job done when you complete the workout. Keeps you accountable. It does inspire others. Also, gets me fired up too. Really does. Just bounce here. Breathe. Just take it all in. It's good to be alive. Yes. Okay. Let's come to our mountain pose. Just spend a moment. Close your eyes if you like. Just notice. Just absorb everything that's going on inside of you right now. Celebrate the win. You finished what we started. We're definitely doing it better than when we began. We're going a little bit longer. Building infinite, unstoppable willpower, consistency, discipline. All these things just make us happier. Just be. Feel your hands. Is there a tingling sensation possibly? Your arms. Just notice. Your mind will wander. Just notice it wander off. Oh, there it goes. The mind's doing what the mind does. Bring your attention back. Oh, there it goes again. And I just gently, non-judgmentally bring it back. Shake it out a bit. Feeling good? I hope so, because I am. I appreciate you. Job done. Well done. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.